We are looking at the euro dollar. Coming back to the monthly time frame, have a look up here. We've got the low of this distribution candle on the 1M. So from what I'm seeing, there's still room for this to move north. If we pick up a Fibonacci and we look at this from a fib perspective, let's just say we'll pull it from the candle bodies down to candle bodies. A 61.8 fib pullback makes sense, and it comes in at the very low of this candle wick. So there is room for this definitely to move north, and we can see this is quite a strong bullish candle. Euro dollar. Now everything's going to hinge on the dollar index. Keep an eye on that. See some weakness coming into the dollar at the moment. Let's have a look at this on the weekly now. Yeah, we've got on the weekly time frame, I mean, look at this big candle here. Big distribution range. We'll mark that up. The monthly low comes in here. Again, you know, we pull the fib from high to low, and it this is a 50% level up here. This is halfway. So now, given that this is trending bullish, yeah, my question is how far back will this travel? So I think we could expect, if we have a look at this on, say, a daily, we are hitting some resistance in this zone at the moment with these candles here. So we'll just grab that, pull it through. So we could see a deeper pullback here as well, right? So we'll just work our way down the time frames, and we'll get closer to this, and I'll come up with an idea, a trade idea. Daily time frame. On this time frame, if I follow my rules of engagement, it's going to be something like this. Okay, so swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Right, that makes sense. Trend continuation. Now, if we'd have bought on every one of these swing lows, it works, right? So with that concept in mind, we can consider possibly, if we pull a fib from low to high, see the pullback down into my yellow fib zone here, pull a fib from low to high, see the pullback into the fib zone. That seems to be fairly consistent. If we pull this from low to high, fib zone comes in around here. So I'm wondering whether we see a bit more downside before this travels north. And the concept is, of course, the banks are looking for a discount. If they're bullish, well, they might want to pull it back down into here to pick up sell stops resting all through under here. So that could be a thing. Honestly, I won't be looking to buy at this level, and I don't really want to counter trend trade this. If it pulls back into here and I get a fill, well and good. If not, and this rotates and travels off without me, I'm happy to let it go, because there are so many opportunities where we get the pullback into the fib here, into the fib here, into my zone here, possibly, okay? So that's what I'm waiting for now. What else can I say about this? Yeah, I think I'm bullish with a move down into here. Stop loss, well, you could go, okay, have a look at this big red candle. We'll just grab that, and the base of this other candle here. Pull that through. I'll call that my daily accumulation range on the 1D. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, jump on board our Telegram group. We've got a link. It's a free link in the description below. It's a free Telegram, and I'd love to see you in there. I mean, look, this pretty well covers it, guys. I'm looking for a buy opportunity if it pulls back down in here. With that, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Comment, share the love. We learn from each other. Have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.